It is Friday night. There's an object right there heading straight down to the north. Lit up pretty good. Spherical shape. Pretty good size. There it goes. See if I can get my chair. See if we can see anything else. Besides a flock of birds. It just goes to show how sensitive this thing is. And they are low altitude, by the way. It's like the third flock I've caught so far. There's another object heading down to the area of the north. It's a big object, or it's very bright, one or the other. You see how big it is. Another object coming out of the west, heading to the east. Pretty bright. With another one intersecting right into it like they're gonna... Oh, I'm sorry, there's three almost right in the same area here. Now, how crazy is that? These two are running side by side. That one's going out to the east. Continuing on. These two guys here going down to the area in the north. And there's a jet right here. So there's a jet. Collision course with this one. Another one over here, and then there's one going to the east. Well, if that ain't busy, folks, I don't know what is. And here's another large one going down. So it's about 4 objects, one spot. It's just all kinds of crazy. And there's this object that's going down. It's actually dimmed out a little bit, and I have no idea why, because it would be exposed to any kind of light or sunshine over there. Sun is on that side. I think I just seen a zipper going up.